98. Girl, you can get it all day. Slow it down, let me get a replay. The way you just put it on me, on me. Run it back, run it back, run it back for me. Whoa. I wanna put you on my team. Run it back for me. Whoa.
It's your girl NueNew the Hair Diva, and I am back with you with a look-alike video. These videos are how I do my nails, and I match my eyeshadow to go with them. I had a young lady on my Instagram who said she really liked my nails and wished that I had did a look-alike video for it. So since today is Thursday and I normally take my nail polish and things off on Thursday to create a new design, I decided to go on ahead and do this video. As you saw with the pictures in the front, they are so cheesy. I showed you what my nails look like and what my eyeshadow looks like, and pretty much the rest of my face is a neutral palette. So in front of me I have all of the products that I have used to create this nail art, as well as the makeup, and that's what we're going to go through. If you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed, I would truly appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button, as well as share and like the videos if that is something that you choose to do. And the iCards above, I will have a link to my playlist showing you all of the look-alike videos that I have created so far. Alright, enough talking. Let's get started with the products that I use. These are what my nails look like, and this is the best way that I could show you my nails, as well as my thumbs, because they are so long and curving. And the products that I use are right here. The first thing I did was I used this new polish, just trying it out. It is the Broadway High Shine Clear Nail Polish. That's what it looks like. And I just use this as a base coat because I have to go to the store and buy my out the door polish. Some of the color polishes that I use is this polish here. It is OPI, and the name of it is called Sui, the First Lady of Nails. And it is this beautiful green, nice army green. I really like that. And the next polish is OPI, but this is the Infinite Shine, and this is called Is Norse. I don't know why, but that is what the polish looks like. Trying to show you my nails at the same time. Is Norse. Okay, then I use some black nail polish just to give a outline. Over here you will see a picture of what that is. It is my HD Ruby Kisses polish, and I just use a thin nail striping brush to create some of the artwork. I also use these beads that I got from Michael's, and I think it was about $6 and change, and it comes with 6 different colors. And the color that I chose to use was this green color there, and you can see that right there on my nail. And I use this nail jelly. Now these you can get from AliExpress. It is just a clear jelly, and I want to be careful showing you guys this is how I adhere my rhinestones. And as you can see, it is just a clear jelly. And I place that on my nails, as well as this Elite 99 No Clean Top Coat. It is a soak off gel top coat, and I got this from AliExpress for $1. And some of the rhinestones that I used were in this little palette here that I put together. And the colors that I use, if you can, I'm sorry y'all, I'm not giving you the finger, so I'll hold it up like that, is these green rhinestones. And then over here, I believe I have some turquoise blue ones, and that comes in here. All these little rhinestones you can get from eBay for 99 cents. I also use, let's see, this right here. These are more rhinestones that I have, and I know it's kind of hard to see them, but the ones that I chose were pretty much in the green family. This particular case I got from AliExpress, and on the inside it allows you all these different compartments that you can take out like that and put your rhinestones in them and not lose them. The last thing that I used was my Sensational Pro 3060 LED lamp. And this was given to me by my daughter Bianca. Happy birthday, Bianca. Mommy loves you. And it is from Sensational. And I got it from CVS, I believe. Okay, now for the makeup. I didn't put on any foundation. I just pretty much used concealer today. The concealer that I use is my Sephora Bright Future Gel Concealer in the number 16 Deluxe Leche. And this is on Sephora for $7. I think they're going to discontinue it. On my cheeks, I have a MAC blush. This is in the color Swiss Chocolate. And this is what that color looks like. As a highlight, I pulled out my Patrick Starr highlighter. And this is Baby It's Gold Outside. And this is what the highlighter looks like. Very, very pretty. I will never get through that. I mean, I'll have it for years. What I have on as mascara on my eyes is the Monsieur Big Mascara. I had a deluxe sample size that I got in December. This is what the wand looks like. And I do like this mascara. It is very nice, and I like how it clumps my lashes together. I have eyeliner on, and this is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Looks like that. Let me show you the felt tip that it has. Okay. And on my lips, I have my ABH Liquid Lipstick. This one is in the color Sepia. And that's what it looks like. The gloss that I have over it is Walk of Shame by Urban Decay Naked. This is the old packaging that they have. And now for the eyes. On my eyes, I use 2 different palettes and 2 eyeshadow singles. So in this first palette, I use my Coastal Scents eyeshadows. Now, this is the color that I used here. And let's see if I can get it out so I can tell you guys what the name of it is. It's a little bit hard to do, and I don't want to put a hole in it. It is called Pinehurst. I'm gonna have to bring it really close. Pinehurst. Okay, it is a dark forest green eyeshadow. I used it on the outer perimeter of my eyes and just used a fluffy brush. I think that really worked for me, and tried to round it out on the edges. In the middle, I picked up this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Single in the color Mildew. And I'll open it and show you guys what it looks like. That's what Mildew looks like. And this is what I have on the inner perimeter of my eyelid. And I just blended it out into Pinehurst. For my brow bone color, I have another Urban Decay Shadow Single in the color ABC Gum. And this I really love. It is a matte finish. And that's what it looks like. Okay. And then the last eyeshadow palette I used was my Urban Decay Electric Palette. Finally, I'm getting a chance to use it. And this right here, this color here, which is called Thrash, is what I have on the inner perimeter of my eye and in the tear duct area. On my lower lash line, I have another Urban Decay product. This is the 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the color LSD. And it is a blue shimmer. So I'm going to put that on the back of my hand and show you what that color looks like. And then underneath it, I went back to the Urban Decay and I used the color Chaos, this blue right here, and just smudged it out. And that is pretty much everything that I have on my face. I'm going to zoom in one more time. Let's get it straight, NueNew, and show you what my eyes look like. As you can see, Pinehurst, Mildew, Thrash. The lower lash line is the eyeliner pencil in LSD, and the shadow Chaos. And these are what my nails look like. Ta-da! Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this really quick video. I truly appreciate it. If you guys are missing or want to see more of my lookalike videos, please leave me that in the comments below so that I can make sure to do more. And I will end this by saying to all be blessed, wear your makeup, save your money, match your nails to your eyeshadow. And NueNew will see you in a few days with the next video. Bye.
Girl, you can get it all day. Slow it down, let me get a replay. The way you just put it on